Okay, well, let's get back into it. We left off last time getting ready to frame the inside, so let's get started there. Before I do though, my kids have decided to go and build a safety barrier around the work site. That way no one goes into the construction site and gets hurt. So, and my safety officers apparently. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cross the barrier and get going. One of the fun things about working outside in Tennessee summer is how terribly hot and sweaty you get within even seconds of moving. So that's fun. Well, heat stroke, here I come. We got the second deck in. Of course, it's time for a stress test, I think. And who better than the kiddos? Come on, kiddos. Break the deck. No, please don't. Please don't. Hopefully it'll hold. Let's see what you guys got. There's one kiddo. Two kiddos. And the third kiddo. What do you think?
Awesome!
We're okay. Deck? Check. Floor? Check. Next up is the fins. Let's go. Okay, let's see how this works. Want to show us how this works, Atticus?
Yeah.
There you go. Now I just gotta build the other one. Well, thanks to my helper, the fins are now done. Or should I say, fin-ished? What? Come on!